Hi everybody, it's Scratching with Holly. Holly has decided not to sit in her box. She wants to sit in the chair next to me. So Mr. Scratcher has to move down a chair. Alrighty. Gonna sit there? Okay.
Alright, you sit there.
Holly? Yeah? What are you doing sitting in the chair?
You're so funny.
I'm people. I'm
people.
gonna sit here.
Like the people do.
And be next to you.
Like the humans.
Like the humans. All right, so today we have one of my favorite tickets, $5,000 a week for life.
Yay!
Set for life. We have two of them. And I picked these out myself. Why? Because you can get a coin, and they're my favorite tickets too. So you can get a coin or a star, gets 10 times the prize, or life wins $5,000. Or you can get up to 5 winners on a ticket we've gotten. So we know you can get that many. So we had a 17, a 19, oh baby 1, 5, very low, 21, and a 2. 1, 2, 5, 17, 19, 21. So Miss Holly has decided to get back in her box and go to sleep. Holly? Turn your head. Say hello. No, she said, I'm just going to sit. I'm going to smell my box and go to bed. Thank you. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. We have a lucky 13, but we don't have that number. Ooh, 16. So close. Chicken legs 11. And a 30. Oh, we don't have anything nearly that high. Our highest one is 21. Okay. We have a 26. Oh, we have a 6. Nope, no 6. 14, no 14. 25, nothing that high. 18, no, we have a 17. 22, we have a 21 is our highest. We have a 3. 10, no 10. 15, no 15. 28, oh, that's way too high. And a 9, so it looks like this is a losing ticket.
Holly has moved.
Wah, wah, wah.
Holly's moved to her spring mix box, so I can move down to my seat now.
Yes, you may move to your seat because she's in her box. All right, let's see what we've got for the second ticket. That was ticket 44. This is ticket 43. We did them out of order. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Oh, 21. Again, we had that on the last ticket. 12, 8, 2, 20. Again, low, fairly low tickets. Oh, and a 26. So we have 2, 8, 12, 20, 21, 26. And this is a 23. No 23.
No 23.
27. No 27. 25. All around that 26 one that we do have. All around that. A 29. Nope, nothing that high. 3. We have a 2. Not a 3. Okay. Let's go for the next row. 28, we have a 26. 22, we have a 21. A 1 off. 30, nothing that high. 15, no 15. And a 9, we have an 8. Oh my. Well, let's see which one we're going to win on here. 19, no. 13, no. 4, no 4. 7, no 7. And 6, no 6. Well, not very often does this happen, but it does happen.
It's a dud.
So it's a dud. It's a dud video. What are you going to do? No winners. All right. All right. Can't make any winners out of that, even though I
no matter how you try.
Double-checked. Nope. Double-check. Because sometimes I miss them, but...
You're pretty good on those tickets, though.
Holly's giving herself a bath.
Yeah, it's bath time.
She's bath time. That means it's almost time for bed. She'll be going to bed very shortly. All right, folks, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Try to get a winning video next time.
We'll try.
That's right, we'll try. All right. Good luck with your scratching.